So you've opted in to TCP Hot Leads. Good choice. We don't call it hot leads for no reason. You can easily get up to 40 leads or more every 30 minutes, and these leads are hot. How quickly would your business grow if you were able to generate 40 leads every 30 minutes of the day? Seriously think about your answer to that question, because that is exactly what one of our clients was able to do by watching this video and taking action on what we teach. 40 leads in 30 minutes. That's 80 leads an hour, 640 leads every 8 hours. How would that change your business? The truth is, if you want to experience explosive business growth and watch your business grow on autopilot day after day, then it comes down to mastering one thing: generating tons of scorching hot leads and getting more of them than you have ever had before. And we want to teach you exactly how to do it. Absolutely free, no strings attached. When we say free, what we mean is this: we don't want your credit card. We don't want your PayPal account. Try it first. That's how confident we are. Below this video, there is a button. If you click that button, it will take you to a form. Simply fill out the form to create your account. Once you have an account, you will have 100% access to your account on Conversion Pros to get the full free Scorching Hot Leads training under the Quick Start tab in your account. People pay thousands for this type of lead generation. You won't even pay a penny. Go get started now and enjoy your free leads.